It's the bad stomach bug linked to lettuce that no one wants. The state says there have now been 147 cases of cyclosporiasis this year. That number has risen by month. There were 9 cases in May, 32 in June, 104 in July. The health department considers cyclospora season to be between May and August. To put those numbers in perspective, from 2016 to 2025, the range of yearly cases is between 23 and 211. So we're still in what's considered a normal range. The FDA has recalled iceberg lettuce as a result of this outbreak, and state health officials say some of that recalled lettuce was sent here to food service locations in Massachusetts. No exact locations have been identified, but we also know that July 16th was the last time Taylor Farms shipped that lettuce to Massachusetts.
I believe that the implicated product is most likely out of the food chain at this point, and that we're already seeing declining cases nationally. I think it's clear that the lettuce is an important source of the outbreak, but we also know that there are other sources.
In fact, Dr. Madoff says the parasite can be found in other fresh produce such as basil, cilantro, and berries. That's the case every summer, and why it's always important to thoroughly wash all produce. As for lettuce, Dr. Todd Ellerin agrees it is now generally safe to eat again. He says the recent rise in state cases is likely from the normal delay in reporting.
Because it takes a while to develop symptoms, the incubation period could be a week or 2. It can be tricky to diagnose, and people often will have a week or 2 of symptoms before they seek medical advice.
Now, symptoms usually take a week to show up and can last from a few days to a month or even longer. If you become sick, you are encouraged to report your case. In the newsroom, I'm Mary Saladin, WCVB News Center 5.